far down this way because the winds are pretty high. I might have trouble coming back. And we got kites flying over here, so we got to watch out for those. It's pretty windy. As you can tell by how fast I'm going, I wonder what kind of kite he's on. Be out there. I mean, it's not super heavy, but it's not light. We're probably looking at maybe 12 to 15 miles an hour or something like that. I can just barely penetrate the winds. We're probably looking at 10. I bet he's a lightweight guy. This is probably 10 to 12 mile per hour winds. You can see the sea spray over there, so high enough to do that, high enough for the kites to fly, and high enough for the kiteboarding guys to putt around out there. That looks nice. Cool looking sunset. I'm glad I got down here and got a flight in.